Josh, look at here. Can you take your goggles off a second? Or is it too late? So we can see who you are. There's Josh Clement right there, ladies and gentlemen, on his new motorcycle. Have fun, buddy. Man, a puff of exhaust. Puff of exhaust hit my sunglasses and my helmet, about knocked me down. Well, isn't that a peaceful sound? Have fun, buddy. Man, a puff of exhaust. Puff of exhaust hit my sunglasses and my helmet, about knocked me down. Well, isn't that a peaceful sound? Hello everybody. I want you to see the mountains here, and then I'm headed out to Myra'S to shoot turkeys, but I want you to see this river. BITTERROOT is about flooding. I mean, it is right up under the bridge. Sorry for the wind noise, but go down here and look at the famous BITTERROOT River. It is gonna be a monster. I drove over it a minute ago. I don't know how close it is to the bridge, but it's not far from it. Here it is, famous BITTERROOT River right here. Look at that. My gosh. It is flooding. Woo! What a deal. Oh well. Good Lord willing, the creek don't rise. Hopefully it won't flood anybody's house tonight, but it is up. A little snow on that mountain up yonder. Alright, I'm going to sign off for a minute and put on down to Myra'S house. Here we go. Headed down to Myra'S. Headed down to Myra'S to go shoot a turkey. Might have to take Myra tomato plant. Got some nice tomato plants right here in the car. Just picked them up. Brown's greenhouse. Ooh, this creek is flooding. Look at this. Probably all kind of wood ducks and everything else up there. Woo-wee! BITTERROOT River is rising. I had a little intro at the start of this video of Big Josh on his new hot rod motocross bike. And he just rode off into the sunset at the father-son camp out we had just the other day. The ducks landing out in a field. This was a field, now it's got water in it. Pretty impressive. Headed to Myra'S. Gophers are out. Maybe we'll see the white gopher. Who knows? Might see the old Whiteamundo Gopherodo. Well, let me tell you a story real quick. Went to Brown's greenhouse after I forgot to get my tomato plants. Is that fake ducks? Some pretty looking fake ducks right there. Big old fake geese or whatever. But anyway, I forgot to get my tomato plants for about a month, at least a month and a half late. So now I should have gotten them 1st of April. Now here it is, what, May 7th? Lawsy mercy, Andy. May 8th. Yeah, I forgot to get my tomato plants. So anyway, I went over there and a nice lady had some biggins. So I got 2 nice biggins for me and Myra. So I don't know what I'm gonna tell Sister Post. There's some more water, but that's there a lot of times. Nice horse. Horses having fun. Right up here on the left is the famous white gopher. Headed to Myra'S. Man, I hope there's a big gobbler standing in the road. Or not standing in the road, but standing in her backyard. There's the white gopher, I do believe. There he is. Right there. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, he went under. That was the white gopher. How about that? Got to see him again. The white gopher was up. That could be a good omen. Could be turkey killing weather right away. Turkey killing weather right away, baby. There's a big old turkey bird right there. Oh, there's turkey gobblers everywhere on the right. There was 3 or 4 little gobblers on the right just then. The turkey birds are out and moving. Might have to shoot one. Pop one. It's like a turkey in the middle of the road down there. We might have a, oh yeah, begging just across the road. We might have a turkey accident right here. Just run over a big gobbler. No, that's not sporting. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. Look at that. He's walking down the driveway. Herd of deer. He's just walking down the driveway. Oh, stampeded their herd of deer. That's a big old gobbler. He's just walking down the driveway now. Here's another one. Looks like a hen right here in the field. Hey, girl. Yeah. Oh, there's gobblers everywhere on that side. This guy right here feeds them. There go gobblers in their yard. Oh, that was a hen. Well, we'll see. See what Myra'S got. See if Myra'S got a bunch of them in her yard. Sometimes she does. See how many horses she's got out there. Oh, I see a couple of horses. I see a couple of horses. No turkeys on the side. Oh, there's turkeys right there in the field. I might have to pop one right here. Okay, I'm gonna sign off real quick and go shoot me a turkey. Well, here we are out at Myra'S. A whole bunch of turkeys across the road. That guy over there feeds them. So they go over there and roost right behind his house. Oh, a bunch of turkeys, a bunch of hens, a bunch of gobblers. Anyway, we're gonna go over here, see if we can't play around, have some of them walk right by the yard fence. Man, water's coming up everywhere. There's her friend's horses way out there. Sorrel and a white one. But we'll play banging on the fence ranch hen right here. See if they'll come through. And I mean, there's some water going on out here. Here we are out at Myra'S, and this is the famous Myra that I'm always talking about. And I just had 2 little gobblers walk by just a minute ago. Myra was standing there going, "Oh, there's some coming," and I was hiding in the bushes over there. I saw one come by that was like, he had a foot-long beard. He was walking out in the middle of that horse pasture, so I jumped the fence and tried to cut him off. And he went back And then I started waiting around, and here came two, and it was the little jakes. But I could have shot them after it was over with. I said I should have shot them, gone back, got another deal. Wait a minute, Myra, come back. Got Myra. She's a little camera shy. Now, are we sure we can't tell the story about the railroad tie? Okay, we can't tell that story. I might tell y'all later. But this is, what's your dog's name? Button. How old is he?
He is just a year old.
Just a year old.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's been fighting with Squirt, hadn't he? He's been picking on Squirt, hadn't he? Oh, and he bit you when you tried to separate him. You told me at church. So anyway, there was a gobbler out there with a foot-long beard. I got out in the pasture and went over there by the burn pile and played like I was working on the burn pile. He didn't go for it. He went back. He turned around and left. And then two little ones were coming. I thought they were hens, but they were little young jakes. They had 1.5 inch beards, little button beards. I could have shot both of them. Well, only got one tag. I could have shot one of them and then gone to town and get me another tag for spring. But all I could see in my mind was that one with the foot-long beard. Lordy mercy, he's got a huge beard on him. I just tried to adjust the right side mirror on her truck. She got new glass in it. It was welded shut. Been on there for 30 years, I guess. I got my vice grips and my crescent wrench and reefed on it. She said, reef on that side and maybe it'll, yeah. I broke the bolt. Good old gummel keel tools. Big vice grips and crescent wrench. Something had to give and I broke the bolt. Oh, look here. Squirt. Hey, Squirt, buddy.
Okay, come on.
Oh. See you later. Myra didn't want to be on camera. I said, come on. And I kind of just turned it on and she kept turning away. She didn't want to be on camera. So Beth, when you see this, you'll have to call Myra and tell her how good she looked. Because she did. She always looks good. And anyway, man, broke the bolt on the right side new glass mirror she got, rear view mirror. And then, I don't know if I told you, but there was, yeah, I think I did. I saw that big old gobbler with a 12-inch beard. He was just out there walking through the middle of her horse pasture. So I jumped this rail fence right here with that right there, that nice little 12 gauge, and ran out there. I just walked out there to the middle of the horse pasture and was playing like I was messing with that burn pile. But it didn't fool him. He turned and went way back over in there where that tank is. He got in those edge of that woods over by that tank, and then he went back. But then I was still way out there, and two turkeys started coming down this fence line, and they had red heads. I was looking at them with my 10-power Vortex binoculars that I love. I was out there on that burn pile, you know, beating on it like I was working, and I came up here to this thicket and kept watching them coming down this fence line, and they're just working their way down this fence line, and all of a sudden they got right in here. Myra's talking to me from the back porch. Said, are there any coming? And I was looking, and they had little beards, little button beards that long. And then I'm right there behind that thicket, right there on the side, behind that white aspen tree or whatever that is. And them little suckers flashed right through that water, went right by me. I could have shot both of them. It wasn't until after they were gone that I thought, well, I could have shot one of them little suckers. Should have been tender, good eating. Then I could have gone to town and bought me another tag and shoot another gobbler this spring. But that was fun. They walked right in front of me. I put the bead on them, see what they look like. But I didn't shoot them. Chopper. Might be a life flight chopper. Somebody having a bad day. Taking somebody to the hospital. Yep. Pray they're going to be all right. Helicopter. Hope y'all are doing good. Take care of your friends and family. Take 3 deep breaths. It'll relax you. Breathing's a leader. Lower your heart rate and lower your blood pressure. Adios. Well, it's getting late. I didn't shoot any turkeys, but still pretty nice spot. Horses out here eating grass. Sun going down behind the ridge. Life is good. Oh, big old gobbler with a 12-inch beard. And then I had 2 young gobblers walk right in front of me, right through that water puddle. I was over about where that white horse is. And dadgum, little suckers had 1.5 inch, 2-inch little beards. But I thought I'd wait and shoot that big, huge one with a 12-inch beard, and I wound up with nothing. But it's all good. Nice spot. Beautiful place. Life is good. You got your health, you got it all. I probably already asked you, but please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. Hope you have a great day. I'll holler at y'all later. Take care of your friends and family. I'll put this old scatter gun down. Sign off.